If you're looking for something a bit more elevated than a standard cranberry sauce, try out this chutney. Every year for Thanksgiving, each family member in my family is in charge of a dish, and I have become our chutney specialist. This year the recipe is a little bit different. Okay, I'm actually toasting whole cloves and a cinnamon stick and seeing how that brings out some flavors in here. Okay, but this is way different than a cranberry sauce. The flavor is so deep and the aromas are deep and rich. We use honey. We use red chili flakes. You know, you're getting acidity from apple cider vinegar, the lemon, the orange. You're getting that heat from the red chili flakes and just the crazy, crazy flavor that those cloves add. That is the last thing that you will taste going down your mouth. You'll taste those cloves and the cinnamon. So this is an incredible thing to bring to impress somebody, impress the family. It's an elevated condiment that you can use on literally everything at your table. So try it out.